Rippy over here to the historic International Plant in Fort Wayne, Indiana, August 2nd, Saturday, for the Harvester Homecoming. Old foundries, there's the clock tower, I call it. This was a race rig bought new to pull race cars with. It says it's going in a museum, it's being donated. That's what the sign in the side says. It said it had a Dana 60 rear end in it also. Out of Defiance, Ohio. It has the chase car there, or the golf cart. Four-door cab. This one's, I think looks like it's plated for the street, but it just has a small fuel cell. So he carries a spare gas can, I would think. Not sure one of them has a half a V8 engine in it, but it was glad to see there's not much to the show. And then I walk back here and there's a very nice line of scouts, and I like to walk the line and then walk back this way. This guy's based out of Milwaukee. Over here, New Haven, Indiana, the east side of the truck capital of the world, Fort Wayne, Indiana. Back when trucks used to be a thing. Anyway, there's some cool pictures there. It's got the trophies on the hood. It's in some magazines, won some races. 11 o'clock straight up. A lot of history on this one. 1970. Based out of here in Fort Wayne. Might have had a factory sponsor at one time. I hear, well, actually, there's a plaque up there in recognition of 30 years of service to the company. Now, this one was for sale for $15. On the window, it's advertised. 71. Oops, holding my camera wrong. Cute. I like that grill they put on them. And just 800B. There's a couple of these that look alike. These Travels, they bring them back from Montana. I seen a rig over here from somewhere in Colorado, in western Colorado. Monroe 72. So yeah, I don't think I've seen this one before. Has like a brand new engine, air conditioning, all that. This one has some ghost flames. It's a step side, maybe early 60s, you think? That looks like a really beautiful driver right there. It's a pretty metallic green. No computers or any of that. Low tire light coming on. This one has a Oregon base plate on it. The wagon wheels. And a Robin's Egg Blue, and a funny, or one I'm not familiar, trim package. It's kind of neat how they did that windshield like that to go topless. The hoods would open this way, I'm pretty sure. Could be wrong. But it's like an X. You think this is factory XL? Scout 2 XL. And just cute little light back here, and then your gas hole here as compared to up in the fender how they did at one point on whatever it was. Big Oregon bumper built out west. Had it on there. Now they did their license plate light on that too, but luxurious looking seats in it and everything. That one has the bumper built the same way though too. This one has maybe a body lift, no. It has a filler panel though. Pretty comfortable looking in there. Power steering and all that. got a big stick shift like a school bus. Now, I don't see where you put it in four-wheel drive though. It's got the lockouts. This one looks a lot like a farm truck, doesn't it? It has a Colorado base plate. So maybe those are Western bumpers. The Oregon and the Colorado one being option the same. Now these are SSTs. No one around home had the money to buy something like this. This only existed in magazines. Or they would have sold more of them, but I don't know. It's just very expensive. I don't know who or where they would, that was just so extravagant. Big, you're going doorless at that point. Early 70s. Scout 2. And a Bumblebee. Which, they did have these. But there weren't people going around with their SS2s. They didn't. It's just way fancy. I don't think I've ever seen one. But here's another one. You see 2 or 3 of them at these shows. That might be the thing that you want to come see these SSTs, because that would be really hard to put a number on it. We've seen that one for 15. I've seen a couple that were priced right and people that have internationals, and they change their toys from time to time. Some people, it's a big deal to keep it for 10 years, so they become available. Just very fancy. Even had that like the TA, the Bandit car and stuff back in. The engine turn. Look at that mirror on these guys. This one, I've seen a pickup variation of this. The International Pickup had that, and it's not too far from here. Not sure how that came about. And yeah, not seen that red, white, and blue one. I've only seen one. A couple of them are just, there's only a handful in existence. Is that a fiberglass hood? I don't know. I like the stance on this guy. It's just short and kind of tall. It's based out of Kalamazoo in 1971. It has like a Mickey alloy wheel I like, and the BFGs. Patina rod. I'm on Meyer Road. I wonder if they made Meyer snowplows on this road somewhere. I've been to Western before. That's north of Milwaukee, but we're on Meyer Road, so they built this here. This come out of this plant, and maybe there's a Meyer snowplow connection. 66. It has a Americana in the grill. Pretty cute rig. And this one looks all business, like a Hunter truck out of Ida, Michigan. $1967 with an aftermarket rack on top of the thing for ladders or something, and the old slot wheels. So what do you make of this ramp? I don't know. What do you think? An interest in, there used to be a building here. They have a steam room. And I think it's where that clock tower is, the boiler room. And they would pump it, the steam, like the prisons doing stuff, underground. They would pump the steam clear across the road to the other plant. It was steam in there too, from the boiler room. And I'm pretty sure that's a foundry though. I'm gonna take a tour. I think if I can get in this Jeep and ride around, I'm gonna do it because it's just the show's there's not a lot to it because I mean there just aren't a lot of these. But I'm here on the big day, Saturday. So here's a new arrival. So I should have been here by now though. In a way, I think that both of these guys have pulled in since I've been here. Here comes a third one. Beautiful. Do another 5 minutes here. It's got the LEDs. No squeaks or anything. They're just probably locals and they just now got around to getting to the show. They go back home. There's one up here that's got a big box Chevy engine in it. You know, big diesels. But he has to have a popular model, those low boy tractors like that. Has its own special trailer. He's got the Cub Cadet in the back of his. Nice stripes. I like the stripes on this one. It's a pretty slick paint job. Sounded good. This one's 1970 with a long step side. Might have been like a Department of Natural Resources or something. This one's marked Coal Company. I mean, this is like a magazine truck here. He's pulling that special trailer with the lowboy on it. That's a really old lowboy. KB1. Classic colors and everything on there. Steel bed. Floor in the bed. Kind of to the period interior. Calls this one a Cub lowboy. Real fancy trim on it. Some fancy wheels on the front of it too. Been a while since I've been up close to one. They're slow. The tractors, people use Z returns with the go so many miles per hour. The what is it? The skid steer people. Bobcat, they have one. They're top of the line. Zero Tremor has a travel speed of 19 miles an hour. It's a 60-inch cut, and it can cut at 14 miles an hour. 60 inches, 5 feet. So, I mean, you never see anyone mowing with a tractor hardly. And I like a tractor. I use a tractor. I have a couple of them. Claypool, Indiana. Is that by the river? I don't know. It's in coal country. So he's got a big turbo diesel on this, and he's out of Farmerville, Ohio. Farmer, just plain Farmer, Ohio. I think I'll call that a film on this one, walk on around here. Does that look familiar? I don't know what kind of bed that is. I've heard of Farmer, but I couldn't tell you where it's at. The box is RC, whatever that is. Oh, it's a Hillsboro, which that's in Ohio, but I don't know if they do the beds. It's on US 50. It's a Hillsboro bed. Cooper Rubber. Show truck. And, over here at Harvester Homecoming. Thanks for watching.